Let me show you all Game Turbo settings available on POCO X8 Pro. So of course Game Turbo is available once you start playing a game, and over here if you want to, you can easily enable the Wild Boost, which is like an additional performance mode, which technically should allow you to improve the performance of the phone while playing games. Of course, as a result, the device may heat up quite a bit, so this is something that we need to keep in mind. There are also some performance settings where you can, for example, use enhanced visuals, enhanced touch controls, and network speed boost. We can also clear memory in order to release the RAM, so if you feel like the game underperforms a little bit, you might want to use that option. We have the voice changer, so you can choose one of these options to change your voice. We have the timer, D&D mode, screenshot option. You can also record your gameplay. We have settings, screencasting, we can switch SIM card, or we can also toggle Wi-Fi. We have the brightness setting and on-screen commentary. And besides that, of course, we can check out these settings over here, which allow you to open the game booster settings itself. So here we can completely toggle Game Turbo. But besides that, in performance, we can find the performance mode option over here, so we can decide what should be utilized with the performance mode. We have the performance optimization, which is actually disabled by default. We have the memory exceptions, MI Wi-Fi speed boost, and lower screen brightness automatically option, and game DND options. And that is pretty much all. Leave a like and subscribe.